Cerudo. Our school director, Mr. Geronimo Durante Sr., our finance officer, Ms. Bienvenida Durante, our school principal, Miss Princess Jervy Durante, faculty members, parents, friends, ladies and gentlemen, good evening. We are gathered together to celebrate the accomplishments of 2008-2009 class. These days have passed much too quickly. It's almost impossible to believe that we'll be in college the next time we step into a classroom. To my classmates, we've made it. We've finally made it. We are graduating. Congratulations. Congratulations not only to us graduates for achieving excellence in academics, athletics, and arts, but also congratulations to our teachers, parents, friends, families, and administrators. Our success is your success, for you have given us the freedom to dare and the courage to believe in ourselves. For all these things, we, the class of 2008-2009, thank you. Above all, we thank God for giving this chance. Together for the last time, we stand poised at the very edge of the graduation, looking towards a bright future. Soon each of us will go forth in his or her own direction, seeking to make a mark upon the world. We stand as if we are in front of thousands of doors, each door differ from another, with potent opportunities for every one of us. We must knock on these doors to see what lies within. Passing through some doors, we will have to uphold our sense of justice and dignity. If a door suddenly shuts before us, we cannot be discouraged. But instead, we must look for a sudden opening of another. Our adulthood, so long anticipated, has now arrived. We must taste our future, and taking it into our own hands, do it what we'll be striving for towards excellence. Just as you all know, I came from a broken family, living with my Ninong Manel and Ninong Rosel. I put on my mind that my situation is not a big hindrance for me to achieve what I am taking at this moment. Instead, it will serve as my inspiration for me to study hard and do what I think is good for my future and for me. Ladies and gentlemen, classmates, please allow me to take this opportunity to give thanks to my friends, special friends, teachers, to Bernardo family, to my mame, for always there with me in times of for times of sad and happiness. For my father, I will give all my thanks to Mr. Manolo Makatangay, who gave his support and love for me.
So good, it's true, so glad that I have you.
Papa, for you, this is for you. I love you so much. I promise that it will not be the end of our good luck, of my good luck. Classmates, students, our future depends on working on the good things we are looking for. I encourage you all to study hard and make your situation your inspiration. Again, good evening to everyone and thank you. May God bless us all.